probably not going to be able to hear well. But we are on our way into Walmart. I figured I'd do one of those Walmart vlogs where it's just whatever it is. We're going to try to get Alex's haircut first, though.
Yep.
How you guys doing?
Good. How you doing?
Doing good.
Yeah, you look good.
Thank you. Alright, so Alex just found this that I found while I was shopping by myself. Pretty cool. I'm not sure I'm going to get it. I hope so, but we'll see. I really need cat food. New book. Alex got me into the Five Nights at Freddy's series. They have some good stuff. It's an interesting story, interesting all of it. Frozen veg. I'll be down here.
Oh, broccoli, frozen broccoli, and green beans. I heard an and.
And green beans. Got it.
Okay.
Hey. So what else?
We need strawberry. Alright, we already got that, didn't we?
Strawberry salad.
Strawberry salad ingredients.
Alright, we got out of there with about $147. But that was only because I bought a couple things for the car. Nice haircut.
Thank you.
To the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Always on his phone. Which one?
You choose.
I like them all. It's a fun. Alright, that took way too long at the Dollar Tree. You're not reviewing anything.
One cut, just right from here to here. You don't have to cut it this way, just one cut. But thank you, it's lovely.
Sorry.
You did just fine, Alex.
Okay.
I just got a good giggle out of your cut for your sandwich. Alright, so we've had dinner. We are now walking the dog, Lily. She's right there. And I think we're probably going to go around the block as we've still got a little bit of sunlight.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then Alex is going to go play video games.
Yep.
Are we not going to watch the Percy Jackson movie tonight?
Sorry.
That's okay. I'll go work on my room, I guess. So I get in the green car this morning to go to work, and I turn it on, and it's got a check engine light, and then it starts, acting a little funny, and I'm like, oh no. So I have a scanner, fortunately, and I plugged that in and ran a scan, and it tells me that the spark plugs and possibly the spark plug wires need to be replaced, and it tells me what the cost of those things would be. So $7 per spark plug. I think there's 6 spark plugs within a 2001 Ford Mustang, and then the wires, which it said was like another $30 on top of that, plus labor, which is whatever. So I'm expecting this to cost me about pretty sure I forgot my AirPods today. Really hope I have my wallet. Okay, got my wallet. I just don't have my AirPods. Whoops. Well, shoot. So I'm off work now. It's almost 4 o'clock. And I'm going to stop into Advanced Auto Parts in order to get the parts that I need. And hopefully they have them. And if not, I'll stop by Walmart. And hopefully they have them. And then I get to fix them. Today's been a good day at work. Just a bit of a crazy day. But it's Monday and it's orientation and, you know, all that fun stuff. So no surprise that it's been a little crazy. Hi, how are you? I have a 2001. Alright, so I got the spark plugs, the ratchet, all that necessary stuff to get this started. I'm going to go home, change the spark plugs, and if it's still reading an error, in that case I will go out for the wires and buy those. So I'm getting pizza right now, and then I'm going to go back and work on the car, but couldn't get the hood up. The latch broke. I thought it did. It hasn't fully broken, but we were finally able to get it up after almost 2 hours of working on that. And of course the Mustang is so small that you can't get into it any other way. So it's been a crazy day already. I left off with, I was working on my car last night. It was a more involved process than I thought it was going to be. And it's not just spark plugs. So now I can't get into the mechanic until next week, maybe. And so we found out about, from a neighbor, a mobile mechanic. So we called them up last night. They quoted me like $300. And they said they could come out today. Well, by the time I got home from getting pizza, they had closed and I couldn't get in touch with them. So I called them this morning and I left a voicemail. I called them again and left a voicemail. I sent an inquiry in on the website, and I, from there, proceeded to call at 9:15. They opened up at 9. I just got crazy busy at work and wasn't able to get anything done before then. So then they don't have an appointment available. They had just booked it. So I let my aunt know, and this is like hugely inconvenient because Alex starts school tomorrow again from winter break, and my aunt has doctor's appointments scheduled tomorrow. She had them scheduled today, which she rescheduled, which I wish she had kept, but she didn't want this to be a burden to me. So anyway, he tells me to put me on the wait list for today, but it's not likely. And he would book me for tomorrow. So I let my aunt know this, but then I'm sitting there thinking, I haven't gotten any appointment confirmation, none at all. So I reach out again. Oh no, he didn't book it. Fortunately, it still was there, and I've now got a confirmation it's my appointment. But this is the biggest pain in the ass, and I'm hoping it's nothing else, because otherwise I'm gonna go spend that $300 and just go buy a car. So I've just dropped Alex off at school, and I'm on my way to work. I will be leaving work early today, though. I have an appointment with somebody that's gonna come out and fix the car today, and I'm very, very excited about that. And I get to pick Alex up from school, which I'm also very excited about, because I haven't been able to do that since starting this new job. That's still the coolest thing ever. So I am leaving work, and I'm gonna go pick up my kid from school. It's so funny, the gal that's covering the desk for me, she's so sweet. She goes, nobody's put this much effort down here ever. I go, what do you mean? She's like, nobody's ever put this much effort into this job. Now for me, I'm putting in the effort and allow me the opportunity to just not stress about paying for something. So I would like to go to flight school. I would like to pay for Alex's college education. I would like to buy him a car when he gets interested in driving, even though he tells me there's no interest there. I'd like to buy myself a car and like make payments on a car. I'm good with that, but I would like to get to that point. So that's where I'm at. That's where things are. But as of right now, pretty much almost anything that I have of value is in the pawn shop. All of my cameras, my Insta360 cameras, I have 2, the Go 3 and the X3, which is the actual one that does the 360 view. My Nikon Z30 camera, my Canon M6, my iPad Pro. What else is in their pawn shop? I've lost track because I've got so much in there. Thank you for the flowers. And then stop. Can you do the dishes, Alex? Can you do the dishes? Thanks, Alex. Mind if I vlog today?
No mind. Cool.
Okay, so we came to a different mall today, totally in a different city. And we're gonna go see if we can find this tall one here some pants because he's grown so much in the last month. He's outgrown the new pants I bought him.
Here's one.
I think I've only ever been to this mall once. Maybe twice, but it's been a long time.
You did.
So did I. Just Toys R Us. Alex tells me I thought Toys R Us was outdated. I agree. It is. I thought it was, but apparently they have it in this Macy's. Oh, this is a nice jacket. What is this? Hobby Box cards. That's really cool. How's it coming, Alex? I'm now waiting on him in the changing room. He's playing music while he changes. That's my kid. Okay. So that would be the black with the black. I'm really curious about the other one with the black. Wait. I need a picture. I like the black ones on him best. I really hope to find like the right silver that would match the tie that he has, but I really like the black ones. Which ones do you like, Alex?
What?
Which pants do you like?
The black one.
Me too.
I've yet to meet one that can outsmart bully.
He's a big fan of FYE. And they got cool stuff. Is that the size we're shooting for?
Yeah.
Good morning. It is Tuesday morning now. And It's gonna be a good day. It's the award ceremony at school, so Alex's award ceremony tonight. I'll be leaving work a little early. I have an appointment at lunchtime, so I had to go to that. And I'd really, really like to go to the pawn shop, but I don't think I'm gonna have time. Have the best day, okay?
Yeah.
Do you need anything or are you good? So, these Alex gave to me. I'm gonna put them on my desk at work because I want to. And they're very pretty. He gave them to me last week. I've been meaning to bring them in for at least 3 days now. So we're gonna bring them in now. And they still smell. They're really nice.
First group is the 8th
Hey, I see him.
grade Isabel Acosta. Adriana Wright.
Parent coordinator at SCD.
So I've just dropped Alex off at school, and I'm taking a different route today because the maps tell me that this is the quicker route. That being said, I'm also going to try to stop at Dunkin' Donuts on the way to work so I can get some breakfast, because I'm really sick of those powdered donuts that are in the machines there. And I haven't been to the store to go update my pantries. Alright, got my Dunkin'. My window's broken, so I have to get out of the car to get anything to drive through. I need to get that fixed. I just haven't had time. Planes are flying today. It's a gorgeous morning. I forgot that I found such a good parking spot. So I was gonna go to the pawn shop on my lunch break, but I called my aunt. She hurt her back doing something in her room, so I said, okay, fine, let me go to the store and get stuff for dinner. And then when I get home, I'll make dinner. So it'll be a little later dinner, but that's okay. So I bought an iPhone mini for vlogging purposes, and I love it. It did have some dead pixels, according to the listing. They're actually only in one spot. It's not bad at all, but it's a great little vlogging camera, and I can transfer the footage easily between my devices, and it's easy for me to carry, and it's not using my cell phone that I use all the time. And it gives me a backup phone if I need it, so I'm really happy with that decision. I'm on my way to work, and it's just been an interesting couple of days. We found out that basically I couldn't qualify for a loan. They didn't even want to look at me. Didn't want to look at my aunt because of her age, so the decision now is we are selling the house. We've been in this house since my kid was about 4 years old, so about 10 years. It's a fantastic place. I absolutely adore it. But we are going to be making some life changes. And it's a good time. So I just left the pawn shop. I pawned a bunch of stuff over the last several months. It's just been a very tough year. And I wanted to find out exactly how much much it would cost me to get it all out. About $2,000. So I still haven't eaten anything for lunch, but that was productive. I've had my little cry. I'm good. I'm just a little overwhelmed by life right now. My aunt has decided we're selling the house. It's a good time. It's really a good time to do that because Alex is graduating middle school. I am at a job that I love, but I'm not making enough money. So I need to make more money. And I can really do anything I want to at this point. I can find a job anywhere. I just have to do it. I got good news from the school today, so that's good. I also, my drone was in there. It's not mine anymore because I didn't make payments on it, but it was there. So Alex and I are on our way to my old job, the environmental place that I worked at. We're going to drop off plants. I have 2 cactuses. I have no idea what kind of cactuses they are. And I have a mango tree back there.
However, does it hurt when you poke it?
It's not a pokey cactus. I really love the looks of it, but we can't keep it. So I'm going to drop it off there. And then see my friend because it's her last day there. And I'm so excited for her. Leaving there was definitely the best decision I made. And I'm very excited for her because I think it's a good move for her too.
What happened?
She just decided to move on.
No, I mean, on the why it was a very good idea to leave.
Because it's crazy around there. Yep. Crazy, unorganized. It's very hard to describe, but when you work for somebody that is so focused on every little thing and not on the bigger picture, and will bother themselves with everything that has nothing to do with them, it makes for a crazy place to work. You know how when you've always got that person that you know at school that is so worried about everybody else?
Yeah.
Are they doing such a good job at themselves if they are so worried about everybody else? Yeah. And that's kind of what this is. That doesn't change. Doesn't matter how old you get. And people react to life differently. People handle things differently in life.
Get those 2?
Yeah.
Sorry.
You got one or are you going to get 2?
No, she's here. Girl. Go, girl, go.
You weren't even waiting. But yeah, nope, we're all good. It just scared me. It was like, no. So basically, Alex and I went to walk Lily, and there's water in the driveway, and I was like, well, that's a weird looking rain. And then I realized, oh crap, that's probably water leakage. So I went and looked in the garage, and I think our water heater has failed because the hot water was leaking. So that's where we stand right now.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks for all your help.
Tell Tondra I said thank you. Oh, thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Is that Terraria?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
Yeah. Now I can continue.
So we are at Winn-Dixie and we have to get some water. Do you know how much I spent today, Allie?
No.
I spent $560 some odd on a new water heater and stuff. Yep. It's a really expensive candle, but look, it's pretty cool. So we got 6 things of water, a thing of soda. She's been bugging me to come outside for the last like several hours, and I've been busy cleaning and stuff, but we're gonna hang outside for a little bit. Here, let's fix that, okay? We don't want that wrapped around you. There we go. You got Aunt Sandra's sweater on, huh? Did she give it to you?
Yeah.
Cool. So Aunt Sandra bought those sweaters, one for her, one for me, when I was in California with her. And we're going back like, I don't know, 17 years, 16 years, 15 years, something like that. And I loved it. It was the best sweater ever. But yeah, this is that exact sweater.
Yeah.
And he's finally big enough for it. This is our second time out this morning. We're stopping at the gas station,
yeah.
right? Let's see when my Home Depot delivery is due. Estimated delivery. It's processed. It's in process of shipping. It's been assigned to a car. And they expect delivery at 10 a.m. I love you, baby. So I don't think anybody else has been in here since last week because it was still the same way as when I left it last week. Funny. I'm gonna have lunch, but I wanted to show you something really cool. This used to be a classroom when they did train the pilots over here. So this was one of the classrooms. Isn't that cool? So they just delivered the water heater and all the other stuff. Hi!
What's that?
Leaving work.
Oh, is it 4 o'clock already?
Yep,
Cool.
it's that kind of a day.
Sounds like you were airy today.
It was crazy busy today. My day was good, but it was crazy busy today.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll see you when you get here then. What, Alex, did you say?
It is alright. 4 o'clock.
Yeah, we haven't figured out what we're doing for dinner yet. So,
Oh, that's all good. We'll figure it out.
okay. Love you. Bye.
Love you too. Bye.
What, Alex? We'll see you, Mom. Bye.
Bye. Try and talk me into pizza. All right, so the stuff was delivered. So now I gotta get home and get it inside. And can I cut that corner? I can. Get it inside, and my friend is gonna come help me put it in. So I'm so excited to get this over and done with. It's the water heater. The water heater and the stuff for the water heater arrived. It was delivered about 2 o'clock today. And it's sitting outside the garage. So we need to deal with that. I don't know if I can lift it. And I broke our dolly. Oh wow, they're tearing down the trees. Hello.
I built this for you. You've got electrical outlets underneath on each side, and then all the gas,
Hi, sleepy girl.
power, and everything runs through the middle of the legs.
Come on.
Huh? That's the look I'm getting. Like what? Hi, baby.
Come on.
Can you do me the biggest favor?
Yeah.
Can you go get me a hose?
A hose?
Yeah.
English, how do you find it?
We gotta drain that
We
thing.
did a herringbone pattern on the floor. And
Hi.
one of the stools, like an old antique piece of furniture.
Hello, how's my baby?
Tiles.
Yeah.
And then now you have this giant space for living and
How does that thing supply us for that long?
It's got a lot of water in it.
Like, how does that thing?
So we're at his school now for the IB meeting.
Just walking out.
I always forget that. So we now have a working water heater. I'm so excited. I just put $16 into my car and it's still only at a quarter of a tank, and I'm in a Mustang. I don't think the floater has gone up. Anyway, I'm on my way to go grab lunch. My boss wanted lunch from Jersey Mike's. They don't deliver, so I have to go pick it up, which is fine, but it was surprising. So, that's what I'm doing. It's also not been the best of days so far. I woke up this morning, our cat Molly has not been well, and she's old, she's 17 years old, and she passed away this morning. So I had to find a box to get her into. I guess I'll have to dig a hole tonight when I get home. Not the best of days. And then everything's been off. Everything at work has been off. But I'm very sad about Molly. She's a good kitty. And I'd call her Lemur because she's this little itty bitty kitty with this long tail, and she would just leap and just bound around the room like a lemur. So she was the Lemur kitty. Just tough. And then I forgot to message Travis, who did our water heater yesterday, to let him know that things were working fine. So, whoops. I'm tired. I'm not tired. It's just a weird day. It's just a weird day. My hair is not doing anything I want it to do. And I put no makeup on this morning, and crap. Train. I don't usually get to see them out here, so that's very cool. All right. Jersey Mike subs. I used to work over in this area when I worked at the dive shop. almost back to work, and then I'm gonna take lunch, and I'm gonna go do a return over at GameStop. I bought a Nintendo Switch OLED. Decided that if I could find one on Mercari for much cheaper, I would do that. Well, I found one for much cheaper on Mercari, so I'm gonna return the one I bought. Especially with having to buy the water heater and fix my car and just everything that's going on. Yeah, let's go return what we don't need. Alright, so I stopped into the mall. I lost my industrial barbell earring, and I wanted to put some other earrings in so that I didn't lose the holes. So I got 2 little loops, and they're 18 gauge because I figure if I can find a smaller barbell, I will do that, because I don't really like the big one. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. It's been a tough month, but I'm grateful.